For my next video, I'd like to do one on how to show you how to turn on night mode on the Samsung S26 Ultra. Okay, they took it out of the One UI 8.5, and there's two different ways to access it. I've seen a couple videos that show one way, but there's actually two ways to do it. So let's dig right in, as I say. So let's open the camera, and as you can see, it's not dark enough, so I'm going to put my hand over the lens, and on the right side you see the camera, or the night lens. Okay, so you can hit that, then you can say automatic or 1 second, or however long you want the exposure to last. Of course, the longer it is, the more brighter it's going to be, because it's keeping the lens or the exposure open more to allow more light in. Okay, but that's because there's no night mode anymore. They took it away. However, there's also another way. So you can do it that way. With, put my hand over the lens again here. So that's we want photo. So there it is. So for 2 seconds I can hold it, automatic or off. So it'll automatically come on, in other words, if you want it that way. If you want it to come back like it used to be, you need to download an app, which you should really have this app anyway. It's an awesome app for Samsung. And it's called Camera Assistant. And here it is, and you download it on the Samsung Galaxy store, not the Google store, the Samsung Galaxy store, which looks like the red one right here. Okay, so we'll go back to this and open that up, and there's tons of stuff you can do with this to edit and make your camera better, easier, however you want to call it, little mods. So there it is right there, additional modes, night. And you can do single take, dual record, so it'll record front and rear cameras. But there it is right there. So now, when we go to the camera more, there's night, upper right corner. And you can, of course, put that down at the bottom here if you want, which I think I'll do. I'll put that down there. So now, when we go into our camera, you'll see more. And I don't know why that didn't stay. It should have stayed there. That's because I didn't hit save. Okay, so now, when we go to it, we have portrait, photo, video, and back to night. So if you don't like it being automatic, it'll take it back to the way it was, if you're interested in doing it that way. So there's two ways that you can bring up your night mode. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.